After 24 episodes of crying, Musamselo has finally found something that will make him laugh and prove that a lot of people were wrong. And that is what I want to talk about here on this video. But before going to the video, I need to request you guys to like it. If you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down the channel to watch my previous videos. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. Musamselo is so excited about the fact that he was able to get a 24-year-old pregnant while he is 50 years old. So, on the recent episode of Tarone's Team, Makwela, who is his fifth wife, told him that she's pregnant. Even though he has 11 children, Musamselo was still excited that there's baby number 12 coming, like it was his firstborn. And part of his excitement was caused by the fact that South Africans were questioning his vitality. Ever since he started talking about wife number 5, Macele, Mayeni and Makhumalo had been asking ukuthi usengakwazi yini ukwenza ingane. And some of the viewers of the show were saying that he is failing in getting Makhumalo pregnant and asking how certain is he that he's going to be able to get his wife number 5 pregnant. So, Makwela's announcement answered all of those questions, and I'm so excited on behalf of Musa. I just feel bad for Makhumalo. I mean, I understand it must be crazy that wife number 5 gets to have a child before she did. It must really be a painful thing to go through, but then I hope she heals from all of it. Now, here's my chat, and here's Ngyalo. South African women have been hating on Musamselo for taking his 5th wife, mocking him and saying that he's greedy and that there's no need for him to take wife number 5. So now my question is, what was Musamselo supposed to do? He impregnated that girl, so as a dignified man, why is it wrong if he takes that girl as his 5th wife? Imagine if we found out that Musamselo impregnated that girl from a newspaper or from TV commentators like me. Everyone would have been on his neck criticizing him and painting him as that bad womanizer and calling him all kinds of names. You know, to me, this proves that South Africans have decided that they're going to hate this guy. So whatever he does, good or bad, it won't matter anymore. People will always put a black dot on him. So ladies and gentlemen, do comment in the comment section. Let me know, what do you think about Makwela being pregnant? And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, if you don't know TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.